Welcome to the digital age, where staying connected is more important than ever. You know how much I love staying connected. It's amazing how technology brings us closer, no matter where we are. Email is like the original texting, right? It's been around for ages, yet it's still one of the most reliable ways to communicate. Hi everyone, we are One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits from our organization go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. It's how we share news, funny cat videos, and important stuff. From work updates to personal messages, email keeps us informed and entertained. And when it comes to email, Gmail is where it's at. It's user-friendly, efficient, and packed with features that make life easier. Think of Gmail as your digital key. It's not just an email service, it's your gateway to the digital world. It unlocks a world of possibilities online. With Gmail, you can access countless websites, services, and platforms with ease. You can sign up for cool stuff, chat with friends, and organize your life. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Plus, it's from Google, and they're like the geniuses of the internet. With their expertise, you know you're in good hands. Ready to dive in? Let's create your Gmail account together. I'll guide you through each step, making it a breeze. Don't worry, it's easier than making toast. In just a few minutes, you'll have your very own Gmail account, opening up a world of digital opportunities. First things first, let's get you to the right place. Open your web browser. That's the app with all the colorful icons. It might be called Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Now type in gmail.com in that bar at the top. That's the address bar. Hit enter and voila, you're on the Gmail homepage. See? Easy peasy. Now let's move on to the fun part. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look for a button that says Create Account. It's usually blue and easy to spot. Click that button and get ready to fill out a short form. This tells Google a little bit about you so they can set up your account. Don't worry, it's not a test. Just a few simple details and you're one step closer to your shiny new inbox. Like what you see. Like, share and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. Tell us about yourself. This is where you start to make your Gmail account truly yours. Okay, time to tell Google who you are. This is your chance to introduce yourself to the digital world. They'll ask for your first and last name, birthday, and gender. These details help Google tailor your experience to you. This helps personalize your experience, making it more relevant and enjoyable. Next, you'll choose a username. This is important. Your username is your digital identity. It's the name people will see when you send emails. So make it something you like. Think of it as your online signature. Finally, create a strong password. This is crucial for keeping your account secure. Think of a mix of letters, numbers, and maybe even a special character or two. The stronger your password, the safer your account. Write it down somewhere safe, just in case. You don't want to lose access to your account because you forgot your password. Welcome to Gmail. Congratulations! You've officially created your Gmail account. You'll see a welcome message and maybe even a little tour of your inbox. Take a moment to look around. This is your new digital home for all things email. You can send messages, receive messages, and even add fun themes to make it your own. Before you start emailing up a storm, here are a few tips to make your Gmail experience even better. Your inbox awaits. Welcome to the world of Gmail, where your inbox is more than just a place for emails. It's a hub of productivity, creativity, and organization. Tip number 1, organize with labels. Labels are your best friends when it comes to keeping your inbox tidy and manageable. Think of labels like folders for your emails. They help you categorize and find your emails quickly and efficiently. You can create labels for work, friends, or anything you want. Whether it's for projects, personal emails, or newsletters, labels make it easy to keep everything in its place. Just drag and drop emails into the right label, and voila, instant organization. No more scrolling through endless emails to find what you need. Tip number 2, embrace the power of search. Gmail's search bar is a powerful tool that can save you a lot of time. Gmail's search bar is like a superpower. It can find any email in your inbox in seconds. Can't find an email? Just type in a keyword and Gmail will find it in a flash. Whether it's a name, a date, or a specific word, Gmail's search function is incredibly efficient. Tip number 3, have fun with themes. Customizing your inbox can make your email experience more enjoyable. Who says email has to be boring? With Gmail, you can choose from tons of fun themes to brighten up your inbox. Gmail lets you choose from tons of fun themes to brighten up your inbox. Go ahead, express yourself. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or something more vibrant, there's a theme for everyone. There you have it. Creating a Gmail account is a piece of cake, right? With these tips, managing your inbox will be a breeze. Now go forth and conquer the digital world, one email at a time. With Gmail, you're not just sending emails. You're staying organized, efficient, and having fun while doing it. Like what you see? Like, share and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. We've got everything from beginner basics to advanced strategies. Share the knowledge. Help us spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Want to learn more? Visit our website, link in the description, for in-depth articles and expert advice. We're here to help you level up your digital skills. Got feedback? Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. We're always looking for new ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time and stay safe.